Welcome guys to another video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how to add your local bank account to your Geegpay account. If you don't know, maybe you're hearing Geegpay for the first time, but just in case you don't know, Geegpay is an app that you can use to send and receive funds from foreign clients. So maybe you are a digital marketer, a social media person, or a freelancer, a web designer, and you offer jobs online on freelancing platforms. You can use Geegpay to collect your money from foreign clients. So Geegpay is actually smooth and easy to use. All right, so if you have not signed up on Geegpay, if you don't have an account on Geegpay, you have to sign up. All right, you need to sign up on Geegpay for you to be able to do what I'm going to show you in today's video. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and how to do stuffs online. All right, so I'm going to go to my Geegpay account. For you to be able to sign up on Geegpay, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link for you there that will guide you on how to sign up. When you sign up properly, you are going to be asked to do your KYC, all right, to verify your account and all of that. Make sure you go through the process correctly, because these guys are legit. All right, they are legit and they don't want unserious people. So when you sign up properly, you have access to your account. So let me just open my account now and show you how to add your local bank accounts. Why are you adding your local bank account? You're doing that because you want to be able to receive your funds. You don't want to receive money from foreign clients and then the money is hanging in your account and you cannot withdraw it to your local bank account. It doesn't make sense. So how do you now add it? I'm going to show you in just a moment. All right, so before I go in, please like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Support me by subscribing and turning on your notification bell. All right, when you do that, it helps you to be able to see more videos that I'm creating. So let's go in. I'll log in my password now and then show you how to do that. Okay, so let's go. Just follow me now. Just follow me. All right, so let's get in. So this is my account. All right, this is my dashboard. You can see I've been using this platform just to do one or two transactions. All right, so this is my Nigerian wallet, right? So how do you actually add your bank account? For you to be able to add your funds, you come to this place that says send money. Click on send money. Now Geegpay is believing that you have received the money in your dollar account. All right, your dollar account will be something like this, right? This is what your dollar account will look like. So they are believing that you have received the money in your dollar account. So how do you now remove the money? You need to add your local bank account. So to add it, you come to send money. So once you come to send money, this is where you are going to now impute it. You will click on add new beneficiary. Click on that. Are you seeing it? So you can now choose. Do you want to use bank transfer? You click on bank transfer. Do you want to use mobile money? You click on it. So for our case, we want to use bank transfer. We want to be able to send it to our bank account. So you click on bank transfer and then you select the currency. Are you getting it now? And then you fill in all the details that you need to fill in, and that's how it is done. All right, so this is how you can add your bank details to your local bank account details to your Geegpay account. This is very, very smooth and seamless. All right, if you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section. Just drop yes, I'm going to try this. Okay, if you got value from this video, kindly like this video. Make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see more videos about how to use Geegpay or how to make money online, just go to the comment section, drop a comment for me. Let me know what exactly you want to see when it comes to making money online or using Geegpay, and I'm going to see you in my next video.